Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by switching to manual keeper. Hold L1 on PlayStation or LB on Xbox, then move the right stick to face the penalty spot. Do this early so the camera and keeper alignment are ready. You're not diving yet, small stick input set body angle. Once done, watch the kicker's approach. The timing and subtle stick direction affect momentum and dive speed. Make sure to keep calm and prepared to react in the next step. Now you read the kicker. Note plant foot and run-up angle to anticipate corner placement. Once the run-up is 1 to 2 steps from the ball, commit with a precise right stick flick toward the intended side. A quick tap produces a low, fast dive, while holding the stick plus the dive button yields a higher, longer reach. This combination controls trajectory and responsiveness, so time it with the striker's contact to maximize save chance. As the shot leaves the boot, follow through with the stick to adjust mid-dive. Small corrections can tip shots wide. If you miss due to timing, release L1 or LB to cancel manual input, then re-engage next kick. This resets your stance. If problems persist, experiment by delaying commit by about 2 to 0. 4 seconds or reducing stick tilt to avoid overcommitment. Practice in penalties mode to lock in timing and build consistency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.